watch the RPM. So there's definitely something wrong with my fucking car.
Alright guys, so today we're gonna be installing these little, they're called spark plug non-foulers. They're to
Look at this dude.
to eliminate the check engine light whenever you don't have cats. It doesn't always work, but we're gonna see if it works. This is my first time doing it. So what you do is, this is your O2 sensor. You have to drill a hole to this one so this one can go through and screw on. And then once that's in there, you just screw it on to another one, and then this screws onto the O2 sensor entry.
What?
And then you just screw this one on, and it should clear the code. You shouldn't have no check engine light after that. So right now what we're gonna do is get to drilling the hole right here. Like that. Alright, so we drilled the hole, and this is how it should look. The O2 sensor should be in there. The hole, this is how it was at first, and that's how we got it. And then you just drill this one back on there. Not drill it, I mean you just screw it back on there. And then you connect it to the exhaust.
And that's what we're gonna do right now.
Yeah. Alright, so this is how it should look. You just screw it on there. And then this is a finished product. Connected up to the sensor and everything. Now we just gotta go to that one. So I'll be back.
And
we're done.
done, guys.
You're probably gonna need one of these to make your life way easier. There's a special tool for the O2 sensor, and it makes everything a lot easier.
Sorry for the angle, guys. It's pretty tight under here.
There you go. Now we turn on the car.
Hopefully it works. Oh my god.
A little pull.
No more.
Now that's way better than before. It hit 100 quick. Back then it like stay at 100.
That's good news, guys. Now we can race really if somebody wants to race, not like back then. Go.
So this is a whole nother day probably a whole nother week. I forgot when was the last time I recorded it. I forgot, but we just got the car aligned, and yeah. But just wanted to update you guys on what is it? Where's my keys, man? Fuck my keys. I don't have my keys. Alright, I'm back. Got the keys. So, basically, just wanted to update you guys on whether or not it did clear the check engine light or not. It's been at least 3-4 days since I done it. But what I did to clear the check engine light was, let me talk to you. What I did to clear the check engine light was I disconnected the battery for like 5 minutes, and then I connected it back, and the check engine light didn't turn on. Drove it, been driving ever since, and it hasn't came back on, so I'm guessing that cleared that it fixed the issue. So I'm gonna turn it on with the control so you guys can see. Control. On right now is the tire sensor, but we're checking in like check for codes. No codes found. The little spark plug valves did work. As you can see right here, no more check engine light. Yeah, my car was bugging out at 100 miles per hour. Like, it wouldn't pass 100 miles per hour. It would just stay there and like red line every time I went full throttle. So that, I'm pretty sure that's what fixed it, because it hasn't done it since. My check engine light went away. It's been like 3-4 days since I've done it, and no more check engine light. So that's good. Anyways, yeah, you can buy these spark plug fowlers at O'Reilly's or your local auto parts store. I got them at O'Reilly's. They were, I believe, like $5 a pack or something like that. I don't know, but it wasn't like anything expensive. So if you hate check engine lights and your check engine light is on because of not having cats, just go to O'Reilly's, buy the spark plug fowlers, and do what I did. And that should fix your issue. Hopefully it fixes your issue. So yeah. Anyways, if this video helped you guys, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. It really helps me out. So hopefully it helped you guys. But yeah, be it for this video. Stay posted for any future videos. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it.